Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check your analytics in Veed IO. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Veed application or go to Veed IO website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen you can see your profile. Click on it. Then this type of drop-down menu will appear in your screen. There you can see Analytics option. Click on it, then it will view your analytics. This is how you can check your analytics in Veed IO. But make sure that you have an upgraded Veed account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.